attention, please. I give you Dr. Ed Krupp.
Wow.
But you can't keep it.
Yeah. I have the sense that it's appropriate to make a toast here, and I realize that there are a few things that should be toasted, but it won't take that long. First and foremost, please let me toast Eisenberg Foundation and the Amundsen Foundation. This wouldn't be here without them. That said, please let me specifically toast Cindy Kiefer. It would not be here without her. I still also really want to toast Alessandro Farnese for saving the original statue. And frankly, Hipparchus for putting the catalog together, and somehow getting those stars in the right place. But most of all, I think it's necessary to salute Atlas, who's held up this globe for 2,000 years and finally gotten some relief. But to the celestial globe, thank you one and all.